Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, my name is Akira and I would like you to join me whilst I explore my fashion journey in my late 30s. Yeah. It always happens when I feel like I've said something that I shouldn't have been saying, like revealing my age. Is that right?
It was at this moment Akira may be confused, thinking if she just revealed her age, or did she?
It definitely is right. Let me just start it again. As I take you through my wardrobe, I will also be taking you through my new fashion faves that I find and share them with you guys. Honestly, sometimes I get it wrong and sometimes I'm just like, what the heck do I have in my wardrobe? So as I get into all of that, I know that you have seen before this whole intro something exciting that might be coming up, so I hope that you stay with me throughout that journey too, whilst I start to reveal that in the next couple of months as we get into 2025. Super excited for the year ahead of us. And yeah guys, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, make sure you always stay connected, like my videos as well. Yeah, I hope I am not rambling way too much, but let's just get into this video. Today I'm going to be trying on some of my winter amazing finds, which are jumper dresses, and I love a dress. I love an outfit that's so easy to put on, so easy to put together. Hence why I do these videos sometimes, because I'm just like, what the hell am I wearing? But today I hope you find it really useful to see what sort of jumper dresses that I do have and that I have recently purchased to keep us nice and cozy in this glorious winter. As we're in December, I can't believe it, we're in freaking December. Whew, that means we've only got like 24 days before Christmas, because literally this is the 1st of December. So yeah guys, brace yourselves, make sure you are comfortable, and let's just get into this video. Let's get dressed, ladies.
So she ran into the bedroom, she was struck down, it was her doom. Annie, are you okay? So Annie, are you okay? Are you okay, Annie? Annie, are you okay? So Annie, are you okay? Are you okay, Annie? Annie, are you okay? So Annie, are you okay? Are you okay, Annie? Annie, are you okay? So Annie, are you okay? Are you okay, Annie? Annie, are you okay? Will you tell us that you're okay? Then the sign of the window that he stuck to, I guess you know Annie. He come into your apartment. On the carpet, and then you ran into the bedroom. It was shut down, it was shut down.
Okay ladies, one thing you're gonna get to know about me is that I love simplicity. Like literally, I love it to be simple. Let me tell you sis, yeah, if you struggle to get an outfit together, then sis, this dress is for you. Sometimes people think typically the dress is the star of the show, but I feel like you are the star of the show. I feel like a lot of the times when you wear the dress, right, you are wearing it, not the dress wearing you. You wear the dress. So you make the dress, you make the outfit, you make the style. Does that even make sense? Listen, I need you guys to make that your mantra, because that is my mantra, and this is what gives me the confidence, because I just feel like I'm not intimidated by the outfit. I'm not intimidated to wear it. I'm not intimidated by the dress, because guess what? I am the star of the show. Not to sound all big-headed, but I need you guys to believe it. You are the star of the show, and not the outfit, not the dress. Repeat after me. You are the star of the show, not the outfit, and not the dress. It's you. But yeah, comment below, let me know what you think about this dress. It comes in 2 colours. Unfortunately, I got this way back in lockdown, so I don't even know if it's still available. But for reference, it's from Zara, and it's a size medium. It does give you, I feel like this is so fun, it gives you the shape, that triangle, yeah? That triangle is my body shape. I'm literally an upside down triangle. And so if you are an upside down triangle, this type of dress would be good for you. I'm so pleased with myself. Like, I literally had this dress for a very long time, for years, and I still feel like it pops. Trust me, it's really hard to find an outfit in my wardrobe, especially when you have quite a lot. I don't even know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. On to the next.
As I came into the window was the sound of a crescendo. He came right to my apartment. He left the blood stains on the carpet. She went underneath the table. He could see she was unable. So she ran into the bedroom. She was struck down. It was her doom. Annie, are you okay? So Annie, are you okay? Are you okay, Annie? Annie, are you okay? So Annie, are you okay? Are you okay, Annie? Annie, are you okay? So Annie, are you okay? Are you okay, Annie? Annie, are you okay? So Annie, are you okay? Are you okay, Annie? Annie, are you okay? Will you tell us that you're okay? Then I sign at the window. Then he stuck you. I guess you know Annie. He got into your apartment. And the blood stains on the carpet. And then you ran into the bedroom. You were stuck down. It was your doom. Annie, are you okay?
Alright ladies, so as you can see, I've accessorized this gorgeous jumper dress with different types of belts. Although I've shown you a jumper dress that hugs your figure, there are also jumper dresses that kind of could drown your figure too. So if you want to accentuate your figure and cinch in that waist, girl, make sure you have a decent belt to go with. And now I've shown you like a few different belts already. I've got like, I have this nice simple brown belt and this gorgeous black buckle belt too. These are from Primark, these two. And then this waist belt is from All Saints, and I've had this for decades. I've had it for a very long time, but it works really well and it stood the test of time. So yeah, have a go, play with different types of jumper dresses, even if it feels like it's going to be an oversized jumper dress. Just style it with different accessories. I've also got my gorgeous earrings that I feel matches with the color grey. And yeah, the material is not heavy at all, so you're not going to feel like compromised with it too. So it's nice and light and airy, as well as it's keeping you nice and warm throughout your winter season. But yeah, I always pair my try-on dresses with my heels. But don't forget, this is also boot season, so you can have a good time with boots and jumper dresses. Trust me, they look good and go very well together. So here we have it. I hope you enjoyed this try-on haul. With social events approaching and you feel that pressure with fashion and just putting an outfit together, just go into your wardrobe and I'm sure you will find something. And if not, there are definitely reasonably priced brands that will literally help you put your outfit together for all the events that are up and coming for this season. I can't wait to show you occasional dresses that I've got in my wardrobe and bought as well recently in my next try on haul, so stay tuned for that. And also, like I said in the middle of the video, I have something special coming up, and you may have guessed it already just by seeing at the beginning of this video, but hold on tight, I can't wait to explore it with you guys as well and share more details to come. So we've obviously come to the end of the video. I appreciate you guys so much, and I hope to see you in our next video. Have an amazing week ahead, and I'll see you soon. Bye everyone.